Hi, my name is Kent Jones, and I'm the senior attorney and manager of Jones and Associates, attorneys at law in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'd like to speak with you briefly about why folks in East Tennessee retain my firm for legal representation. To be quite honest, there are typically times in everyone's life when the unexpected happens. From a corporate perspective, if you are in business at an HR or management level, you may need agreements. You may need risk analysis consultation, non-compete agreements, litigation defense, and similar items. You may find an employee breaching an agreement, or even worse, suing you for alleged discrimination. From an individual perspective, you may get arrested for DUI or charged by a spouse or ex-spouse with some type of criminal charge. You may come home one day and find out without prior notice that your husband or wife has decided to leave. Without the thought of it, you may be served with a temporary restraining order or order of protection. You may be an employee that was clearly terminated due to an illegal reason, including but not limited to race, age, religion, violation of the Family Medical Leave Act, the Americans with Disability Act, and many others. You may have been caught up in a trucking or automobile accident. You may be on one or the other side of an accident at work. At any of these or other given times, you find that your logically constructed everyday life becomes clouded with emotion, confusion, and in many cases unexpected bills that were never thought about in the budget or under any circumstances. In many cases, you may have attempted to personally deal with these situations and found yourself treading water for months or even years at a time. You may possibly even find yourself on a collision course with a bankruptcy that you never expected in your wildest dreams. Even that becomes an unexpected expense. Over 50% of the time, clients will ask me, why would somebody do this to me? I don't know. At times I will say, it's not altogether different than when somebody, for no reason, stalks, harasses, or murders somebody. I don't know why. It's that defining moment that you simply can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. Nobody wants to scream out their personal life to their friends or neighbors, but something needs to happen. The true definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. At Jones and Associates, the chances are that we've guided a course to get through it. Not once, but many times. We possess the tools to bring back the light at the end of the tunnel, to bring back some normality to your life. When you go to choose an attorney, look at their ratings. Look at their experience over time. In 2014, we were accepted by AM Best as one of the top attorneys in the insurance industry. I've been rated by www.avvo.com as excellent. I've personally tried hundreds of cases to verdict, and yet I believe that I have the common sense to to settle if necessary. I've argued a number of appeals to the Tennessee Supreme Court, the Tennessee Court of Appeals, and the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati, Ohio. We've never professed to be a specialist in solely one area. However, if you look at our track record, there has traditionally been a strong emphasis in labor and employment, corporate consultation and defense, contracts and negotiations, individual divorce, personal and catastrophic injury, and within the last couple of years, significant criminal defense. I truly believe in fighting zealously for a client, no matter what the circumstances. Even if you cannot convince yourself at first, these are things that are not only outside of your level of comfort, but these are things that are so far outside your level of comfort that it typically would take you years to have even a rudimentary understanding of them. Should you find yourself in one of these situations, please understand that it is imperative to seek legal counsel as soon as possible. There are certain roadblocks to resolving your issue or issues that may exist now, tomorrow, or a short ways down the road. These include various statutes of limitation, administrative hurdles, notice issues, and many others. If you find yourself outside of your level of comfort and completely blind as to whether there will ever be light at the end of the tunnel, call me now at 423-424-6208. That's 424-6208. Or email me at joneslaw08@gmail.com. If you would like to review the background of my firm and myself, visit LinkedIn, www.avo.com, or look at our website at joneslaw08.wix.com/JonesLawFirm. Let's work together to find a rational resolution to your legal issues. This is an advertisement. Thank you.